Hello Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to the 100 Days of Python series. Today is day 51, and we're taking our deep learning journey a step further by diving into TensorFlow and Keras. We'll understand the TensorFlow ecosystem, build complex neural networks, and learn how to train, evaluate, and fine-tune our models. Let's get started. TensorFlow is a powerful open-source library developed by Google for numerical computation and large-scale machine learning. It's designed to be flexible and comprehensive, supporting a range of tasks from building machine learning models to deploying them in production. The TensorFlow ecosystem includes tools like TensorBoard for visualization, TensorFlow Extended, TFX, for end-to-end machine learning pipelines, and TensorFlow Lite for mobile and embedded devices. Now, let's get hands-on and build a more complex neural network using TensorFlow and Keras. We'll work with the Sapphire 10 dataset, which consists of 60,032 by 32 color images in 10 classes, with 6,000 images per class. First, let's install and import the necessary libraries. With just a few lines of code, we've built a convolutional neural network, CNN, that can classify images from the Sapphire 10 dataset. Notice how we used convolutional and pooling layers to capture spatial hierarchies in the data. Once our model is trained, it's crucial to evaluate its performance and fine-tune it for better results. Let's see how we can do that. We can use the evaluate method to check our model's accuracy on the test set. Our model achieved an accuracy of about 69% on the test set. To improve this, we can fine-tune hyperparameters, add more layers, or use techniques like data augmentation and dropout. By using data augmentation, we can improve our model's robustness and potentially achieve better performance. That's a wrap for day 51 of our 100 Days of Python series. Today, we delved into the world of TensorFlow and Keras, built a complex neural network, and learned how to train, evaluate, and fine-tune our models. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with our daily Python tutorials. Keep coding and happy learning!